Hi everyone, today we got an interesting thing arrived in the mail. It's a flip grip. It's a Kickstarter product that I backed up. It arrived like a week ago. Came in this nice little package. It's a little banged up but not too bad. I hope that the product itself it survived. It's meant to be used with Nintendo Switch. So I'm gonna open it up and then we're gonna go over some stuff. So basically, let's see, just need to cut this thing here nicely. Alright, should pop right open. Oh, nice, it says enjoy right here on the label. That's awesome. Alright, and then when you open it up, you can kind of fold it all the way through, and then it comes in a nice little package. Oh, it's in a bag. It's not vacuum sealed, but that's not important. And then you get a sticker. It's an official flip grip sticker. And then there's some instructions. Oh, this is a card. Oh, nice. Sweet. Shows you how to put in the switch. Yeah, the right way around. That's handy. Awesome. And this is a flip grip. I gotta say that the build quality is awesome. It's sturdy enough. And then also you get like a little indentation that shows the orientation of the switch itself. And then this is the campaign on the Kickstarter itself. So basically, it was a Kickstarter campaign that started, I believe, June 21st and lasted less than a month. And it got funded. They got like $140,000. And the price of the Switch was $12, and then you had some shipping cost, but I don't remember what it was. It was something small. They go about talking how the flip grip works. So here you get a image of the game on the Switch that it's in a vertical mode, so that way you lose like a ton of real estate on the screen itself, and the picture is smaller. And a ton of the arcade games is in the vertical mode. So here is how the product will work, how it looks when it's plugged into the flip grip. There's some graphical instructions how to do it, the product itself. Now the campaign is over, but you can still pre-order it, and if you click the pre-order button, it takes you to the Fun Gamer page where you can add it to your cart and then order it for yourself. So to make a long thing short, I'm just gonna test it out on my Switch to see how it works. So let me put the kickstand in. I'm gonna take the Joy-Cons off, and then I'm gonna put it in. So these little notches here should be on the left hand side when you put the flip grip on the bottom, and this is what it's shown on the picture itself. So it should slide in just like that, and then there is a little lock here on the back side which prevents it from getting out. So if you want to take your Switch out, you can just pull it up, and then the Switch will slide just right out. I can notice that the seal is not tight, even though it covers a portion of the vent. I think it can get enough air sucked into it because there is a lot of room for air circulation. Nice thing about it, they leave your SD card slot available, so you can put it in. And then also another thing, you can put a cartridge in, and the most important, if you're playing this on the go, you can put in the headphones in. This is meant to be used only in the handheld mode, so you can't plug in the power adapter because that space is occupied by Joy-Cons that slide right in. And yep, that's that satisfying click. Alright, and this one, it works. Awesome. Alright, so right off the bat, my switch is turned off, so I gotta power it up. So that if it's in a sleep mode, that's fine, you can just press the home button, but as far as I know, you gotta take it out to power it on. And then the volume you can also access by holding the home button and then going into the menu and change the volume settings. Alright, let's see how it works, how it performs. So the UI of the Nintendo Switch is not meant right now for a vertical mode, but that's fine. So let's jump into the game that I believe has a vertical mode. So give me just a second. Nice thing about this console is that it has a touch screen, so that's great. And I'm gonna start this game, Stern Pinball Arcade. So I believe that one has a vertical mode, so we'll get right in it and we'll test out how it feels in a real life situation. Alright, so we're just waiting for this game to load. Alright. And there are a ton of games that are coming to the Switch, if they're not already on a Switch, that are in a vertical mode, or they can be turned to a vertical mode. Alright. Okay, start. So here's, I'm just gonna start it in a regular mode, so you can see what I'm talking about, how it looks when it's not in this vertical mode. So let's wait for it to load up. It's made by Sega. Okay, let's start it. Okay, so you see when it's not in a vertical mode, the screen, you can get closer, but it's not that great. So let's see, I believe there is a button. Maybe this one. Oh yeah. Okay, that's upside down. That's weird. Whoa, this is not a good example. Okay, this is weird. Alright. Alright, this one's not gonna work because it turns it around on a wrong side. Let me see. I'm gonna do something stupid, something that's not meant to be done with this flip grip, but I'm gonna put it in the other way around, just to see if it's gonna slide in. So downside is there is no lock if you put it wrong way around, but I think it's gonna work. Alright, so it doesn't go all the way in to the bottom, but oh yeah, this feels way better. Whew. Yeah, so this is actually what they meant when they made this thing. So you see the entire screen is occupied by pinball. Alright, and then damn, and then you can play it way better than you would play it. You can have a better experience than if it was in a horizontal mode. So I see what they were trying to do, and also I believe there is a list of games on their website. Let's just jump in and see. There are a ton of games already listed here that support that mode. Yeah, so as basically they have Donkey Kong. That's nice. I think okay, I have NES online, so we can try that, see if Donkey Kong works. Alright. Ah man, always downloads, always. So if you subscribe to membership online, you get a ton of NES classic games. And right, that's nice. Let's find Donkey Kong and I think I got it. Okay, and this is a start button. Okay, let's see if there is a way. Okay, that's a start. If there is a way. No. Alright. Okay. Let's go to game selection and see if we can access the settings. And unfortunately, from NES Classic Online Console, we can't do that. Yeah, they definitely list it as Donkey Kong here, but yeah. All right. So for now, we're just gonna play the pinball. It works, kinda. This doesn't diminish the value of this product, and as the penetration of this product to the market increases, also I believe there is going to be a lot more games and developers that benefit from this kind of use of a Nintendo Switch. I gotta say, it's really sturdy. There is not a lot of flexing or clickiness. It feels right in your hand. Frankenstein, yes. So we're gonna play some game. Okay. Oh yeah. Let's shake it a bit. Alright, well, anyway, that's how the flip grip works for me now. Obviously, I don't have a proper game that's gonna work with this product, but I'm looking forward to getting one. I gotta say, it is a bit of a novelty, but it's a nice accessory for Nintendo Switch that won't break your bank. It's something that, you know, I think I'm gonna enjoy in the future. Anyway, taking off the Joy-Cons, it's fairly easy. You still press the back button. They're securely locked in, so without pressing that button, it doesn't come off. Getting your switch off the flip grip is fairly easy as well. You just pull back on this little tab behind and just take your switch out. One thing to notice though, I see there is a little bit of scratching on the back, so if you're concerned about that, yeah, you know, skip it. But anyway, this is a really nice product. I like it. I'm glad that I backed it up on Kickstarter, and I'm really happy with it. Unlike some products that never seen the light of the day. Anyway, this is a flip grip, nice little product, very simple. The build quality is awesome, as I said. You can see that it's molded plastic. It's not something that you 3D printed, because with the way it would work if you 3D printed it, there are forces that go, you know, in two different ways. So when you're 3D printing it, you've got to be careful so you align your product to print so that it doesn't tear. But this is awesome. I like it. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like it. If you didn't, no biggie, watch the next one. Hopefully you'll like it more. Stay play, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye bye. I gotta say, I suck at this game. Maybe not that much. Ah, damn.